To insert page numbers into a long document, we first of all need to insert some breaks, and this is done from the layout menu, and we want to choose section breaks. So this tells our document that we might want different types of numbering in different sections. If things belong to the same section, like the table of contents and table of figures, we can just put a page break in, but once we start our main text, we're going to want that to be a section break, and that way we can have different number sequences running simultaneously. Once we've done that, we then choose the page where we want to start our numbering and go to the Insert tab and then Format Page Number. So I want to start by having some Roman numerals, so I choose that from this menu, and I want to start at 1 because I don't want it to include our title page. I'm then going to select whereabouts. Do I want it at the top of the page or the bottom of the page? I prefer bottom right. And then I need to select the different front page box. I need to say that I don't want anything to appear on my title page. Now, of course, we've got a problem that my main text is now saying it's starting at page 3. So I go back to the Insert menu, go back to formatting my page numbers, tell it that I want this to start at 1, and you can see that we've now got two number sequences operating together.